Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to return products on Amazon correctly. Now it's a very simple process. So firstly what you have to do is just simply click on your return and orders, then just simply scroll down and choose your order. Make sure to see that before placing the refund order. Now click on return or replace item. Then over here just simply click on the product that you want to return. You can choose multiple product if you want to, but I'm just going to choose single item. Now choose the reason why you are returning this item. So click on the drop box and choose the appropriate reason. And now make sure that the reason that you choose is good enough. So choose the reason, then give a comment about that, and if it is required you have to do it, but in some cases it's optional, so you can skip that part if it's optional, but in this case it's required. So just simply write something like defective, then click on continue. Now over here they will ask what you want to do with the product. Do you want to replace or do you want to refund? So just simply choose refund to your Amazon bank account or Amazon account balance. So just simply choose that option and then hit continue. Now over here in the next page it will show you how you can drop off the package and then you will be initiated for the refund. So if you scroll down there will be more options, so you can choose any of the options. So most of the options are free, but in most of the cases you have to go to the drop off location to drop your package. So just simply choose any option and make sure to read the description of that particular drop off so you don't have any issue doing it. Now just simply choose the option, then click on confirm your return, because using the return code you will be able to initiate the refund. So what you have to do is just simply give the refund code to the UPS drop off person. So the moment they will scan the code that you just received in your email, or you can just simply click on view refund code over here and you will be able to see the code. So just simply give them the code, or they will just simply scan them and then they will initiate the refund. So firstly, before doing all of that, just simply end this by clicking on continue shopping. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.